Thank you all so much. We were told to keep it down and kind of work into our set because we're kind of a in-your-face blues band. We are, I think the banner says, no snooze, dancing shoes blues. So we're not the ones that you cry in your beer about you lost your dog. We're the ones that, we found the dog, let's have a beer. So without further ado, we're gonna start out slow and move into what we do. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. I think it's time we stop there. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Yeah. What's going down? These battle lines are being drawn, and nobody's right and everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds, they're getting so much resistance from behind. Think it's time we stop here. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Yeah, what's going down? What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs. Oh, mostly saying hooray for our side. I think it's time we stop here. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Yeah, what's going down? Well, yeah. I say I wanna spread the news that if it feels this good getting used, you just keep on using me until you use me up. Until you use me up. Well, my brother, you know, he's sitting right down and he talked to me. Well, he told me, I ought not let you just walk on me. And I'm showing that way. You know me when I talk words through. I had to say now, brother, if you only knew, you'd wish that you were in my shoes. You just keep on using me until you use me up. Until you use me up. But sometimes it's true, you really do abuse me. You get me in a crowd of high-class people, and then you act real rude to me. That if it feels this good getting used, you just keep on using me until you use me up. Until you use me up. Talking about you using me, it all depends on what you do. It ain't too bad the way you're using me, 'cause I sure am using you to do the things you do. Oh, oh, oh yeah, to do the things you do. Oh, oh yeah, come on and use me, baby. Alright, come on and use me, darling. Alright, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Alright. Thank you very much. We're going to, yeah, we are. We are. We're going to play one of ours. This is called Who I Am. This is actually making its rounds in the UK with another one we're doing right now. So you can get this at your favorite music outlet, wherever you stream your music, wherever you get your music. It's called Who I Am. It's our little tip of the hat to anybody in this wonderful country who has served or has been serving in the military. Thank you. Thank you for our freedom. Thank you for your service. Thank you so much. some cussing, dip a little skull. But when it comes to the Lord, I always try to abide. I mess with my country, you're gonna see my other side. If you need it, take the shirt off my back. Well, I'll give you shelter every shelter you like. I'll feed your family their successes, yes, yes I will. Mess with my country, you best start saying your prayers. I'll help a sweet old lady cross the street. Well, I'll tie the shoes on a little girl's feet. Stand in the freezing rain to help my fellow man. I mess with my country, you'll see who I am. You'll see who I am. See who I am. Coffee, gun owner, blood donor, God-fearing man. Well, I love my country and all the people who serve. Yes, I do. If you see us coming, you're gonna kill what you deserve. I'll help a sweet old lady cross the street. Well, I'll tie the shoes on a little girl's feet. Stand in the freezing rain to help my fellow man. And mess with my country, you'll see who I am. You'll see who I am. See who I am. You'll see who I am. Thank you all so much. Please go ahead and download that. I think it's 99 cents a track, but you can do what everybody else does and just steal it. We just assume you have it, so go ahead and take it. If you like it, grab it.